social media scene. This groundbreaking technology enhances our physical environment by overlaying digital information, creating unique and immersive experiences. In this article, we will delve into the world of augmented reality in social media, exploring its potential, applications, and impact on communication and experience sharing. Tech giants such as Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram have integrated our features into their platforms, providing innovative ways for users to interact with digital content in real-world settings. Enhanced visual experiences. Our in social media has introduced new possibilities for visual storytelling. Users can seamlessly merge digital elements, filters, and effects with live videos or images, enhancing the content they share. Snapchat's popular face filters, which overlay digital masks or animations on users' faces, have transformed online self-expression. They create a playful and interactive space, promoting user creativity and enabling self-expression like never before. Brand engagement and marketing. Augmented reality in social media has opened doors for brands to engage with their audience in immersive ways. Users can virtually try on products, such as cosmetics, clothing, or furniture, on social platforms, turning them into virtual shopping experiences. This functionality empowers consumers to make informed purchase decisions while providing brands with valuable user preference and interest data. Breaking barriers with our filters. Our filters on platforms like Instagram have become a form of user-generated content, allowing everyone to spark creativity and engage with their audience. Whether creating personalized filters for special occasions or designing branded filters for businesses, they have become powerful tools for self-expression and community building. Sharing experiences in real time. Our in social media has revolutionized how we share experiences and connect with others. Location-based our filters allow users to add context-specific overlays to their posts, making their content more localized and relevant. This opens up opportunities for storytelling, tourism, and cultural engagement, creating immersive experiences that blur the line between the virtual and physical worlds. Educational applications. The potential of augmented reality in social media extends beyond entertainment and marketing. Educational institutions and organizations leverage AR to provide interactive learning experiences. Imagine a biology lesson where students can dissect and explore organs through AR simulations, or history lessons where historical sites come to life through virtual reconstructions. Augmented reality has the power to revolutionize traditional educational methods, fostering greater engagement and understanding. Challenges and future prospects. While augmented reality in social media holds immense potential, challenges need to be addressed. Privacy concerns, the need for powerful devices to seamlessly handle our content, and ensuring inclusivity for users with disabilities are among the hurdles requiring attention. Despite these challenges, the future prospects of augmented reality in social media are promising. As technology continues to advance, the integration of AR in social platforms will become more widespread. The creation of a seamless user experience, bridging the gap between the physical and digital worlds, has the potential to transform social media into an even more immersive and interactive realm. Title: Exploring the World of Augmented Reality in Social Media. Introduction. Social media has revolutionized the way people connect and interact with each other. With the rapid advancement of technology, augmented reality, AR has emerged as an exciting addition to the social media landscape. This groundbreaking technology enhances our physical surroundings by overlaying digital information, giving rise to unique and immersive experiences. In this article, we will explore the world of augmented reality in social media, examining its potential, applications, and impact on the way we communicate and share experiences.